Hi everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to install Matlab software in laptop. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and then type Matlab online. Tap this one here, and all you have to do is to click the very first link that you can see here. So tap this one. Now, once you tap this, it will take you to another page. All you have to do is simply tap X. Now here you have to look for this 9 dots. Okay, tap this one here. And then the next thing you should do is to look for Matlab. Tap this one here. And then after that, it will take you to another page again where you need to sign in. Or if you don't have an account yet, you need to sign up for this. Okay, so they will need your email address. And then after you type your email address, and they will need your password. And then once done, click sign in. So this is what it looks like. And of course, what you want to do is to look for this 30-day MATLAB trial since you don't want to purchase. So tap this one here. And then, yes, click this get a trial. Now here, what you want to do next is to tap X. And you just have to enter some information here. Okay, like your email address, your city, and then here you have to choose this MATLAB Essentials, then tap Submit. And then here, as you can see, all you have to do is to tap this X again. Then you will see a button that says Install. So as you can see, we have here Install MATLAB and we have Open MATLAB Online. So if you tap this Install MATLAB, then it will take you directly to this page where you can download this tool. Okay, so if you're using your Windows, you just have to tap Windows. If you're using Mac OS and other device, so you just have to choose one and then it will be downloaded directly. Now, if you want to open this one, you just have to click open and it will take you directly to MATLAB Online. So that's it. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.